Kale. I'm growing kale. Chinese kale or Chinese broccoli. So I'm growing kale as we have a space in our garden. This is like my hobby here. So I'll grow Chinese kale or Chinese broccoli. So I had, as we didn't do any cooking class for the moment because of the pandemic, I grow this, so I use for cooking for myself. But then also we have a neighbor that they had a small Thai restaurant, like fast food, you know, like a Thai street food, like a pad krapao, crispy pork with kale, and she needs a lot of kale every day. She said, if you grow, so I want to buy from you. So then I grow it. And because what we do here organic, so we don't use any chemical, natural grow. We try to spread it out so it won't be so tight. So all together we can harvest again. It's gonna be about a month, like 35 days. The kale should be big, like ready to harvest.